Bula Vinaka and very good morning to you all. It is my pleasure to warmly welcome you all to Suva, Fiji. As leaders in various capacities in local government and local governance, you are all aware that municipal government roles and functions have been increasing and changing in response to new global realities and challenges. Pacific Island countries are no exception. Perhaps we have even greater challenges to face. This is due to our smallness and the fact that we are prone to extreme climatic challenges, apart from that, our fragile economy. As leaders, we will need to take new challenges head-on to ensure sustainable urban management and development. This regional network and consultative meeting for the 10 Commonwealth Local Government Forum member countries gives everyone an opportunity to participate and work with Commonwealth Local Government Forum in advancing our local government agenda. This meeting over the next 2 days will allow member countries to review the existing CLGR programs and the way forward. It is a pleasure to have colleagues from across the Pacific here for this meeting, which will focus on local government's role as a key partner in development. Colleagues, as you all know, this is an important contribution from us local governance leaders to achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. The SDGs are universal targets. However, they have useful applications and relevance to what we do as local government. The reality is that achievement of the goals will happen at the local level within the communities that local government serves. The SDGs provide a framework for our work to build strong and sustainable communities from the bottom up. Here in Suva, we will have a chance to discuss some of our collective challenges. Perhaps just as importantly, to share experience and good practice in our effort to strengthen local accountability and to enhance local service delivery towards sustainable economic, environmental, and social development. The Fijian government and the Fijian municipal councils have had a long-standing and effective working relationship with the Commonwealth Local Government Forum. I had the pleasure of attending CLGF meetings in my capacity as the chairman, as mentioned earlier on. And I must tell you, I've really enjoyed all the forums that I've attended. And there's so many things for us to learn as local government leaders. CLGF has supported the Ministry of Local Government here in Fiji and the municipal councils in several local governance initiatives, including 1, providing training and support to employees of municipal councils on good local governance and technical capacity over many years. 2, participation in the local government review reform study in 2008. And just recently, technical support to the local government committee in developing the term of reference for the Local Government Act review. I'm sure that our other member countries would have been getting similar support. CLGF's role in the Pacific is seen as critical in ensuring our council policies, systems, process and service delivery meet the expectations of the communities and the people we serve. We see CLGF as a vehicle to help strengthen networks as well as assisting in technical capacity building programs across the board. This includes sharing of resources, deployment of technical experts in various council functions to our member countries, assisting in planning, programs and assess management of proven international, regional and national policies relevant to our councils. We share many of the same challenges and pressures in ensuring good leadership at the local level. We need to act collectively in ensuring that our local governments respond effectively and accountability to the needs of the local communities. Furthermore, we need to ensure that councils have the necessary policies, capacity, and resources to deliver core services. Working together through the CLGF network gives us a valuable opportunity to avoid reinventing the wheel. We can learn from each other, and we can also collectively develop workable and locally solutions to shared challenges. Here in Fiji, for example, we are updating our regulations to better empower local government. We are also training staff to be more responsive, especially in terms of how they reach out to and consult the local communities. We are also approaching urbanization and its challenges systematically by ensuring that governance in our cities and towns is proactive and responsive. Many of these issues are relevant across Pacific. I feel that in tackling common issues, we could be at the core of a more sustained regional effort to build greater resilience in local government. Resilience to deal with and counter changing circumstances and other shocks, including man-made and natural disasters in the region. One of the key issues that I propose that this gathering discuss and seek Commonwealth Local Government Forum assistance is around introducing effective planning programs for local government. It has been proven that localities with effective planning and implementation programs achieve better results. This includes both land use planning alongside governance and development plans for the short, medium, and long term. For example, this past week, the Fijian Ministry of Local Government had the opportunity to host a team from Singapore, led by the eminent Singapore architect and town planner. They did a rapid assessment of urban growth, pressure areas including Lotoka, Nendi, and the Greater Suva corridor. It is interesting to see countries coming up with 50 years or more as the time frame for their land use plans. This is something that we in Pacific should seriously investigate and promote, and in particular around effective urban design protocols. I also wish to take this opportunity to offer sister city relationships based on mutual benefits between Fijian municipal councils and Pacific Island countries. Twinning arrangements have been seen to be highly effective in sharing project development and effective implementation. I commend the initiatives to colleagues here today to further partnership between Pacific and their Commonwealth. In closing, I look forward to learning of the outcome from this important meeting tomorrow afternoon and see some of the tangible outputs as shining examples of regional cooperation under the Commonwealth umbrella. I hope you all enjoy your stay in Suva, and my best wishes for the two-day meeting. Vinaka.